I'm just showing y'all that I'm making a green goddess pizza. What you see right here, I'm putting mushrooms on here, black olives, onions. I made my own sauce. It's supposed to be like a pesto sauce, but it's basil, spinach, Italian parsley, a handful of walnuts. Oh, and I'm also putting pineapple on here too. Yeah, so this is my pizza with my pineapples added on, and I'm just about to add in my little Daiya mozzarella vegan cheese. And yeah, this pizza was fire, and it's low calories and low carb. And bam, that's my pizza after 11 minutes in the oven. And yeah, you can add anything that you want in here. Bye.